In today's video, I want to guide you on how to change YouTube language and country settings. First, you need to log into your YouTube account. Just log into your Gmail account, then you'll be able to access YouTube page like this. Now, first take a look at this place where you see YouTube logo. Then there is something here, NG. This indicates my country of selection. Yours might be NG, yours might be UK, yours might be USA, it might be anything. And take a look at what is here, guys. Everything is in English. So now to change this from one nation to the other is very simple. Come to this place where you see your logo or your initial or anything that you've used, you see it here. Now left click on it, it comes out like this. Then scroll down to the base of this place. The first thing you have to see is you see the button that says location Nigeria. Click on it. Once you click on it, then scroll down, you have bunch of nations here. Nations here. So let's click another one. Let's select this one, United States. Click on it and wait a few seconds for this page to load up. You can see it's going to refresh. Once you do that and move your mouse over to this place, you see that NG has been taken away from here, and in a moment UX will come up here. Then let's click on it again, left click on it and select another location. This time let's take a look at Canada. Here is Canada. Click on Canada and wait for it again to load up again. It's going to reboot. In a moment you're going to see Canada here. So that is how to change the country of your YouTube. Now let's quickly go and change the language of our YouTube. Then come back to this place, left click on it again. Now scroll at the base again, you see what is called language. This display language, you see I'm on English. Click on it. When you click on it, you have a lot of language here. So let's scroll up. If I will see my dialect here or any language here that you can speak very well, so let's click on those selected languages here. Let me click on this Afrikaans. Click on it, wait for it to load up again, and it's going to take away this and bring it again. Now come back to this place that the language has changed here, you can see, and the country has also changed here. So let's go back and change our language to the normal language I speak, which is English or your dialect. So locate and click on English, and you have different English here. So let me click on English UX and wait for it again to load up, and it's going to bring out that English US and everything is set. So that's all, guys, on how to change your location and language on YouTube. If you get this tip you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.